This is the front line of human health. Stay tuned and subscribe for the full breakdown.
Check this one, edges are good, flatness confirmed.
At American Brick Co., precision and scale drive every step of production. Inside America's mega factory, this is how millions of bricks are made every day. Welcome to American Brick Co., a leading manufacturer of quality bricks for American infrastructure. Our facility produces, supporting construction nationwide. With a century of history, we continue to innovate in Brett See How It's Factoring. This is the PPE station, where workers prepare for the production floor. The uniform includes coveralls, a hard hat, safety glasses, gloves, and a high-visibility vest. The Nerve Center monitors every process. Daily production over 1 million bricks. Annually, we process 500,000 tons of clay, supplying 10,000 press this year. Welcome to American Brick Co. This is the gateway to our complete manufacturing process. We will follow the journey from It begins with the arrival of raw materials at our reception area. The first delivery sequence begins. An American Brick Co. truck reverses into the reception yard. Key signals. The tipping yard pedals support the facility's deliveries production targets.
Pit is clear, you are good to tip. Copy that, tipping now. Flow looks good, keep it steady. Last of it coming down. All clear, good unload. Truck 3, straight to pit 3, let's keep this moving. Truck 2, that's good. Lower and clear the pit. Loader, start transferring from pit 1.
The quality technician approaches the clay pit to begin the sampling process, taking multiple samples for moisture and composition testing. The technician performs a rapid Atterberg limits assessment using a penetrometer and plasticity roll test.
This ensures consistent brick quality.
Here, approved clay is stored in batches, buffering against supply gaps to maintain continuous production. The loader transfers the oldest batch first and surely enters the conveyor, preparing for mixing.
Initiating water addition. Precision is key here. Volume reached, batch is ready for extrusion. Discharge gate, open now. Viscous flow looks good, uniform texture. Aching sample for lab test. Sample secured, looks good for extrusion.
Precision unrolling ensures the base material is perfectly flat for the intricate journey ahead.
Watch the full breakdown and subscribe now to see how this electric masterpiece is built. The laser cuts with blinding precision, carving out Door frame safe hydraulic outpress.
3 parallel extrusion lines operate simultaneously, each fed by a conditioning silo. Technicians monitor die wear and column dimensions, recording data for quality control.
Die face shows regular wear. Initiating replacement. Worn die removed, installing new die. Dimensions confirmed, return to finding productions.
The shuttle cutter moves alongside the clay column, its wires slicing perpendicularly to form uniform bricks. The fine wire leaves a clean cut, revealing the dense, de-aired internal structure.
Cross-section is good, within tolerance. Length checks out at 203.2 millimeters. Data log, process capability holding at 1.33.
The extrusion hull's 3 lines operate as a unified system, with precision extrusion and cutting ensuring brick quality before drying. Here press to remove moisture from clay without cracking. The organized racks and progressive color change of the bricks demonstrate the precision and scale of the operation.
Probes inserted. Reading is next sample, 4.19%. Reviewing data, all positions are below 5%. Authorization sent, prep for transfer prep. Did you know, at 1150 degrees Celsius, clay minerals fuse into a dense, durable ceramic, giving our bricks superior strength?
The transformation is complete. The bricks emerge from the kiln, hard and red.
Uniform color, no defects, stack integrity is good.
Continuous output, each batch inspected for quality. The kiln firing process transforms raw material into finished product, embodying American Brick Co.'s value through precise control and consistent quality. On the transition conveyor, the fired bricks show their authentic texture and variability.
Checking these bricks for chips and color consistency. Next, the quality inspection will sort them against our standards.
At American Brick Co., we inspect every brick, not just a sample. This ensures every product meets our exacting standards. American Brick Co. combines automated precision with expert human judgment to detect subtle defects, ensuring every product meets our rigorous quality standards.
Tension and overlap are within spec. Checking the label now. All good. Release for staging.
At the dispatch and loading stage, American Brick Co. branded forklifts efficiently load pallets onto outbound trucks, completing the journey from factory to contract on step in delivering building materials to customers. On the transition conveyor, the fired bricks show their authentic texture and variability.
Checking these bricks for chips and color consistency. Next, the quality inspection will sort them against our standards.
At American Brick Co., we inspect every brick, not just a sample. This ensures every product meets our exacting standards. American Brick Co. combines automated precision with expert human judgment to detect subtle defects, ensuring every product meets our rigorous quality standards.
tension and overlap are within spec. Checking the label now. All good. Release for staging.
At the dispatch and loading stage, American Brickco branded forklifts efficiently load pallets onto outbound trucks, completing the journey from factory to on step in delivering building materials to customers.